Hello all. First of all, I would like to thank organizers for giving me the opportunity to present my work. The title of my presentation is Crystallinity and Rigid Amorphous Phase Studies in Polymer Nanocomposites. The materials that I am using in my work is a PVDF polymer, which is a well-known ferroelectric polymer, and the magnetic nanoparticles I am using in my work. The nanoparticle is Fe3O4. I am preparing my nanocomposite by simple melt mixing technique. The process parameters are temperature is 200 degrees Celsius, rotation per minute is 60, and the time of mixing is 15 minutes. The characterization of Fe3O4 nanoparticles is done using SEM and XRD technique. The SEM image clearly shows that Fe3O4 nanoparticles are uniformly distributed, having a uniform size distribution of 30 to 50 nanometers. The XRD analysis shows that Fe3O4 nanoparticle has a cubic spinel structure. The polymer nanocomposite morphology is studied using SEM technique. The SEM morphology shows that nanoparticles are uniformly distributed in the polymer matrix. It also shows that the nanoparticles are encapsulated by the polymer. The structural characterization indicates that the polymer PVDF crystallizes into alpha phase and no other extra peaks appear with the addition of Fe3O4 nanoparticles. We have studied the thermal properties using differential scanning calorimetry. This study indicates that the heat of fusion decreases from 11.7 to 10.2 when Fe3O4 nanoparticles are added. This indicates that the percentage crystallinity decreases with the addition of nanofiller, whereas the melting temperature is not affected with the addition of nanofillers. The mechanical properties of the polymer nanocomposites were studied by dynamic mechanical analysis. The figure shows the storage modulus as a function of temperature. The temperature is in the range of -100 to 150 degrees Celsius. From this figure, we clearly see that the storage modulus increases in the entire temperature range with the addition of nanofiller. The modulus study, if we compare for different particle loading, it shows that the storage modulus increases with the increasing filler loading. Therefore, we conclude the uniform dispersion of the Fe3O4 nanoparticle in the polymer matrix. The damping is studied with tan delta curve as a function of temperature. This figure shows two peaks. One peak is appearing at -40 degrees Celsius. This is attributed to the glass transition temperature. The second peak at 120 degrees Celsius is attributed to the crystalline relaxation. Earlier we have said that crystallinity decreases, but here we see that in glass transition temperature the intensity of peak decreases. This together indicates the presence of rigid amorphous phase, which is shown by a peak or kind of a hump at 0 degrees Celsius. Therefore, this indicates the presence of rigid amorphous phase in nanocomposite, which is attributed to the presence of interfacial interactions between the polymer and the nanofillers. So in conclusion, PVDF based nanocomposites were prepared by simple melt mixing technique. The uniform dispersion of Fe3O4 nanoparticle is observed in our nanocomposites. XRD study indicated alpha phase crystallization of PVDF. Mechanical properties showed increase in the storage modulus and also the presence of rigid amorphous phase. Thank you.